Wordtini, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to score 50 points. Setup. Shuffle the challenge cards and place them face down in the center of the table. Get a pen and paper for keeping score. There are no turns. All play happens simultaneously. At the start of each round, one player flips over the top challenge card, then shakes the dice and rolls them onto the table. All players try to make words using the letters rolled. Words must be at least 4 letters long. When a player finds a word, they call it out. Then collect the dice letters that spell that word and set them beside themselves for later scoring. Be sure to keep the words intact for scoring bonus points. Each die may only be used once in each word and once in each round. Whoever says their word first gets to claim the dice. Once a word is claimed, it may not be changed in any way. For example, if you say bottle and then you notice an S, you may not change it to bottles. You must keep the word you called out. If a player says a word, but when trying to collect the dice discovers they don't have the necessary letters, then that player loses 1 point. If 2 players call out unique words at nearly the same time, and the first player uses letters the second player needed, the second player is not penalized for not being able to claim their word for not having all the necessary letters. Once all the dice are claimed, or all players agree no more legal words can be made, the round is scored. Each player scores 1 point for each letter they collected. The QU die counts as 2 letters. Add any bonus points as indicated by the challenge card. If no player surpassed 50 points, gather up all the dice, flip a new challenge card, roll, and play another round. The first player to get 50 points wins.